Hello traders, welcome back to another video of Trade with VBros. This is day 3 of $70 to $1,000 challenge only through copy trading. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So as you know, we started the challenge with $70 and currently it is at 83.65. We are running at a total profit of plus $13.76 and we have shared a profit of 5.16. There have been ups and downs the previous day, the running day. We can see like there is only small profits with losses as well. You can see that a lot of orders are there and there is a transfer of $2.17, which is the profit sharing. And if I go to the tracker, you can see yesterday it was 83.18 and today it is $83.65. We are only at a change of 0.5%, and that is because there was few positive trades and there was some profit sharing, the $2.17 which you have seen before. So if you would like to start the challenge with me, if you like to start the copy trading, you can join the copy trading through the links given in this Telegram channel. I have mentioned the Telegram channel link on the description below. Please find this and you'll be able to follow us. Yeah, thank you.